6 reasons why you should start water damage restoration business. Water damage in house after flooding with stains on the wall. Every day, around 15,500 people experience some type of water emergency at home or work, which means that it's an issue for many families on top of being expensive to repair. If you have skills related specifically to drying out wet surfaces, and know how, then consider starting your own business offering these services, which are currently lucrative because there's so much demand right now, especially considering all those billions spent every year repairing leaks alone already costs $2,835. 1. There is a high demand for water restoration services and very profitable. On average, water restoration companies charge $2,650 for simple mitigation jobs or dry-ups. 2. The industry is growing rapidly. The restoration industry is booming. The United States currently has an estimated value of $210 billion in this field, which is expected to grow by 3% yearly. 3. The market is fragmented, which means that there is room for new players. You know the saying, when it rains, it pours. That's definitely true when it comes to water damage. 4. Water restoration businesses have low overhead costs. When it comes to water restoration businesses, many people think that the only way to make money is to charge high prices. However, this isn't always the case. Water restoration businesses have low overhead costs, which means that you can charge reasonable prices and still make a profit. 5. The industry is recession-proof. Water damage can strike any home or business at any time. Whether a broken pipe, hurricane damage, or just plain old leaky roof, water can cause serious and expensive damage. So it's no surprise that the water damage restoration industry is one of the most recession-proof businesses around. 6. Water restoration businesses offer great ROI, return on investment. When it comes to water restoration businesses, there is no doubt that they offer a great ROI, return on investment. Conclusion: water restoration businesses are a great investment. Not only are they profitable, but they also offer a high return on investment. Water restoration is the perfect industry for you if you're looking for a recession-proof business with low overhead costs. You can book a free consultation with us to find out more about starting your own water damage restoration business.